Did you know that the type of roof you choose can impact your energy bills, your comfort, and even the integrity of your home? Today, we're going to understand the main differences between sloped and flat roofs, beside the obvious, to help you make the best choice. Let's take a look. When we talk about sloped and flat roofs, we're not just talking about appearances. Each one has different structural characteristics, material requirements, and suitability depending on the climate and the style of the building it's going to be installed in. Sloped roofs, thanks to their angle design, are excellent at shedding water, while flat roofs offer the possibility of having more functional spaces. But, which option is best? Let's take a deeper look at these types of roofs and their unique advantages. What are the benefits of a sloped roof? First, sloped roofs offer excellent water drainage, reducing the risk of leaks and water damage, which extends their lifespan. Second, there are different types of sloped roofs depending on both aesthetics and functionality. So, they can do their work while making your home look beautiful according to your style. Third, some sloped roofs can provide extra attic space. That means more room for storage, receiving guests, or turning it into your own office. It's up to you. Fourth, depending on their design and materials, sloped roofs can trap heat inside during winter or eliminate heat from the ceiling during summer, making them an excellent option for insulation and energy efficiency. Now we know why sloped roofs are a good option, let's see what flat roofs have to offer. First of all, flat roofs are typically easier to install, making the process more efficient in terms of time and, of course, costs. Second, flat roofs are perfect for those who want to make the most out of every space of their home. They can be easily converted into rooftop gardens or used to install utilities such as solar panels or air conditioning units. Third, flat roof maintenance is usually simpler and cheaper since the roof is easily accessible and with fewer elements to pay attention to. Fourth, in hot weather, flat roofs face more insulation challenges. They have more surface exposed to the sun, which means they absorb more heat, transferring it to the building. The good news is that it can be managed using reflective materials to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. So, which one is better? Well, there's no correct answer here. The best choice will depend on your local climate, the structure of your building, your personal preferences, and what you expect from your roof. You can choose a classic look with proven functionality, or you can go for a modern, utilitarian design. Each has its unique benefits. Ready to make the best decision for your next roofing project? Our expert team is here to help you choose and install the right roof for your needs. Contact us today to start transforming your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more roofing content. See you in the next video.